Hi, I'm Brylls. I'm a nature survivalist expert. I've been living off the land for 50 years and I'm only 20 years old. I deeply care about the environment and I think everyone should. I like to think of myself as Mother Nature, but as a man, I feel like people should call me Father Nature. I'm strong, I know what I'm doing, and I just want to teach the people some things about nature, how to survive, and hopefully people can care about the environment as much as I do. So let's just do this.
So the first thing we want to do is get into the great outdoors. That way, I can teach you how to live off the land and appreciate the real beauty. Now for today, we're teaching you how to make a fire. And what better place to learn than right here. So right here in the forest is the best place to learn how to make a fire. Everything's real dry and beautiful and... Hey! What are you doing? We're trying to shoot something, man. Leave. So, fire making. Fire, the lifeblood of many people. Invented by George Firestein in the 1800s, and thanks to him, we can light up our chimneys, keep our food warm, and just stay warm together as a family. Now, let's make it. So, what we want for our fire is something dry, small, and easy to burn. And lucky for us, there's lots of kindling here. But we don't want any of that. It's dumb. What we do want is something with sentimental value to keep the fire growing. And lucky for us, I have my child's drawings. Look at him. Absolute rubbish. Wants to be an artist. So now that we got a kindling and plentiful of land, we're gonna start making a fire through friction. Mother Nature's love. Hey, you can always like edit things out and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Could you like come back a little later? This is gonna take some time, that's all. And I just don't want it to be like a lot of clips of me moving my sticks, you know?
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Thanks, man. I just found someone littering. It's littering. Cut to the next scene. Wow, a fire. Ain't that a beaut? Thanks for tuning in for this episode. Next time, we'll be teaching more nature life hacks. Or maybe just a way to appreciate the beautiful outdoors. Thank you.